Today we got the Samsung Galaxy A52s screen broken. This device is a water resistant, and it means when you open this device it will be no longer water resistant. So to open this device we are going to open it from the back. We have adhesive. You can use the suction cup and use some alcohol with the syringe to put the adhesive. The adhesive and the alcohol is not friendly, and when you put some alcohol to the adhesive, this will make the adhesive not working or not grip the other side or doing its job. Alright, we don't have flex cables at the edges, and we don't have any fingerprint sensor at the back. We just have a flex cable at the middle of the phone, so no need to go in the middle, just on the edges. You can see the way I'm using this plastic piece to go all over the edges. Alright, we open it. Now let's remove all the screws at the top shield. Let's remove the top shield. In this video we are going to replace a new full frame LCD, and it's an original one, and also support the fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is in the middle of the screen, so the screen should be original in order the fingerprint sensor to be working. Let's now remove the bottom side of the loudspeaker. Remove all screws. So I did unplug the battery and then plug the main flex cable connected to the screen and to the subboard, to the main board. Alright, remove the black screw. We have one at the main board and we have one at the subboard. Also remove the SIM card tray. This is very important because we are going to remove the board and we are going to transfer all the pieces from a new frame to another frame, from the old frame to the new frame. Most of the original screens came with frames, so you have to be careful of this thing. Be careful at the cameras. We don't need to damage any camera of this phone. No need to make any force. Just always be patient while you are dealing with the parts. And also be careful not to touch the camera lenses. I don't want to remove it now because it's a front camera and I don't need to touch this one. It's very sensitive. It's also, there is adhesive at the frame, so no dust can leak there or goes there. Put some alcohol under the battery and start pulling it up. I don't know why it take long time to alcohol to leak all over the adhesive. Sometimes it happens and the battery remove easily, and sometimes it's not. So you have to use plastic piece like this one and start swiping under it. Always be careful not to bend the battery too much and or hole it or damage it. The battery is very sensitive part on the phone. You don't want to mess with the battery. Be careful. Always use some alcohol under it, and it will be like a magic. Alright, so this is the new original screen. You can see it's the same of the original one. We have the power button and the volume down and up button came with the screen, so you don't need to transfer this part. Before proceeding and transfer all the parts to the new one, I'm going just to power on the device and make sure that screen is working. And then I will start assembling the new parts. I'm always recommend to test the screen before doing your job, because we don't need to do our job twice. One is enough. I just plugged the screen connector, the mainboard connector, and the battery connector. Now you can power on the device and you can test the screen if the screen is working or not. After that, we can do the full assemble and finish the video. I don't know the password of this device, so I'm just going to press all the numbers. It seems everything is perfect and the screen is perfect, colors and everything. Now I'm going to doing the full assemble. Unplug everything and let's start doing this. So what we have on the old one, we have the vibration to be transfer, and we have the front camera to be transfer. These at the top side of the phone. Remove the sticker and put the camera. Now let's remove the vibration. You can put some alcohol under it and remove it easily. Now let's go at the bottom. We have one black screw. Remember the sorting and remember where the hole is. We have a gold circle at the subboard. So remember the screws or the screw goes there. If you put this screw at a different hole, you may end broken the screen. So the screw will come out of the other side and make a problem with the screen. It will make a hole at the end. It happens with some people on the internet. I saw that. Be careful while you are removing this subboard. It's very tight on its place, so you have to know from where you can pull it up. I think it's from the other side of the top. I think it's where the connector, where it's connected. I'm just start doing from where we can pull it up. I'm trying. I'm not making too much force. I'm just trying pull it out to see from where we can pull it up. Alright, as I told you, it's near the connector from this area. We don't have anything here, just the fingerprint sensor to remove. Be careful from where you are removing it. You can see I'm using the tweezer, but I'm making a little force while I'm removing it. I'm very careful. It's very sensitive, this one. So be careful. We don't need to damage any parts while we are transferring it. Alright. Put the subboard in position and then push it down where it belongs. After that, we can transfer the fingerprint sensor. Alright. I think the old screen, we are finished with it. Now we are going to just put the board and everything. Make sure you put the subboard in position. You have to put it down in place. And you should hear the tick. Alright, now you can plug the sensor fingerprint flex cable and put the antenna back. Sort them, it's the white first and the blue second. As we told, we have one black screw at the gold circle. After that, we can put the loudspeaker shield. Now we are going to put the main board. Remove the front camera. Now you can put the front camera. Make sure you press the main board in the position. After that, you can put the front camera and then put the black screw in position in the gold circle. Alright. Sort and connect the wire antenna, the white one and then the blue one, and put them in the position on the line that they belong to go. Alright, this is the flex cable connected the screen and the subboard to the main board. We have one flex cable. Connect the loudspeaker, screw it down, and then plug the battery in and put the shield. Screw all the screws down, and that's it. That you can close the back cover and you are done. You maybe can put a new glue if you have a new glue, or you can just put the old one. Anyway, everything now has been told. If you have any questions, you can just write in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.